So let's go through the rules.
Let's go through
Another
the rules.
cheers.
So we all on the same page.
Let me go. My
So
fault,
as
gang.
the stream goes through the night.
What y'all mean the rules? What's that?
There's rules to this shit. We spending the night, so like I think that there should be rules
It's
that we all agree
privacy
on.
rules that we gotta follow.
Okay.
There's a lot of things we have to follow.
Okay.
First things first. Do y'all niggas snore?
I don't snore.
Nah, I never snore. I ain't never.
Okay, I got a confession. I wanna go since you've never been in sleepover with me.
Yeah.
Chat, y'all know I done slept on the AA. I don't snore, bro.
This
Y'all
nigga-
know me.
He don't snore, but he farts.
Yeah.
A lot.
I'm a little gassy. Little gassy. That's why I said I'm glad you brought the toilet, man. You looking out. Hey.
No. That's my toilet. Yeah, y'all got to go in the bathroom.
Wait,